Hey guys! You're my dad. Woogie, woogie, woogie.
Today we're going to be testing this fluffy slime. We actually just came back from the store and getting this. And at the end, when we're done testing all of them, we're probably going to mix them too.
Not all.
What did you drop? Should we open it?
Yeah. One fell. Okay, now we have the ones that we want to open.
Do you want to go first?
It's actually really hard.
Hold on, it might just be like that really thing. I feel like you just...
I mean, like, it's not.
One thing I'm excited for is to mix them. Whoopsie poopsie. Okay, now I'm gonna do one of mine. Okay, we changed it again because. Oh no.
It's like hard, like, but it's not that bad.
Jesus. Right, you freaking tooted.
No.
Okay, these things are actually really hard. Oh, no, they're not. I'm just weak enough.
Ow, that's really high pitch. Your face. Ow, this is hurting.
Whoopsie
You have
poop.
the whole chair. My butt hurts.
Sorry.
Oh.
So, they feel exactly the same.
Yeah, all of them feel the same. The blue one is actually pretty soft.
I mean, it's good. Could be better.
It could be softer.
So I feel like we don't have to open the other ones. We're just gonna get them out, and then after that, we're just gonna show what ones we're just gonna mix them in. Sorry, there's a bubble.
We're just trying to make a bubble. Oh, jeez. Let's try this.
Just opening this.
Sorry.
You're like. So I just opened this purple one. It literally smells like gasoline. Yes.
They could. I mean, if they wanted to.
I want to mix the pink one and the blue one. Do you want to do that one?
The pink and the blue one?
Yeah.
I wish they could do it like.
Haha, tooted. Giggle, giggle.
I like this one. Ow! Something's stabbing my finger.
Okay, so I'm gonna mix this pink one.
Look what I just found in it.
Come on, Walmart. Why you have to lie to us? Okay, so I'm gonna mix
This is actually really
the blue
special.
one and the pink one.
No.
One.
It's aesthetically pleasing.
To be honest, oh, yeah,
Oh,
it is.
that's-
I feel like it wasn't gonna mix.
It is just gonna take a while. I die for you. Wait. Let's ASMR time. Sorry. The pinks should go by too.
ASMR with people screaming. It's okay. It's okay. heavy metal during. What was that? I was like. Okay, you can do yours now. Oh gosh! Sorry, there's been like consequences with my life because I
like her almost birthday.
My body. I'm kind of dumb.
Look at this color.
So that's the end of the video. The slimes. I honestly thought they would be good.
I thought they would be like Daiso Clay good.
Yeah, so we got that from the store too. And
For 75 cents, we got this. And it's super, super soft. It's like way better than these. These are just not fluffy slime at all, like it said on the package. See, fluffy. So, they're liars. Don't listen to them.
So we guys hope you enjoy the video, especially me, Barbie. It's not like something. Anyway, hope you guys liked the video.
Toodles.
You don't have to like it. It's okay, because if you don't, I know why. I understand.
Yeah, sometimes I don't like videos because they're stupid.
Like ours.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this is so hard.
Okay, you can like or subscribe. Either one works. Like, you don't have to.
You don't. You can
It's
do
an
both,
offer.
though.
It's an offer. Okay. Yeah, you can do both.
If you want to. I mean, you don't have to. So.
Okay.